It's a 2016 Audi Q5. It's time to step up to a luxury crossover that answers your demand for elegance, technology, and safety. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, integrated navigation system, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com notes it's easy to see why the Q5 has such a broad appeal, being a favorite pick for active singletons and small families alike. When you drive an Audi, the design and performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
That new Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or Mazda is waiting for you at Morong, Falmouth. We're conveniently located at 187 US Route 1 in Falmouth, Maine.